how to share any product on eBay to Twitter directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share any product on eBay to Twitter easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to ebay.com. of course, now this is the home page as you can see right here. Now let's choose the product. For example, I'm gonna choose those glasses right here if I want to share them. Now all what you have to do to share this product to Twitter is go to the top right here and click on this little Twitter icon. Click on it and now you will be able to share it as you can see right here. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. See you later.